In here, I have 1.5 seedless cucumbers, peeled and coarsely chopped, a handful of flat leaf parsley, and I'm basically making a thinned out tzatziki. If you like tzatziki, you'll love this. So for the tomato, it's delicious. You're gonna love this. So for the tomato, I've got 2 green tomatoes, perfect time of year for that. A couple of green tomatoes, 1.5 cucumbers, a handful of flat leaf parsley, the juice of a couple lemons. Squeeze the lemons cut side up so that the seeds stay with the lemon and don't fall down into your gazpacho.
It's these little tricks that really
and if
always
the
impress me.
and if they are feeling like they're not going to give any juice for you, pop them in the microwave for 10 seconds on high and that'll get the juices flowing a bit. To that, I'm going to add in a couple of cloves of garlic, and I always take the time to grate the garlic because sometimes the food processor can miss a piece of garlic, and when you're eating it raw, of course, you don't want to bite down on big chunks of raw garlic. To that, I have 2 chili peppers. These are just a couple of jalapenos. You can strip out most of the heat by stripping out the seeds and the ribs. That's where heat lives in the chili. So a couple of jalapeno peppers, a couple of ribs of crisp celery. If they have the leafy tops, all the better, throw that in. A small onion, yellow or white-skinned onion. A little sprinkle of smoky cumin. Just like when I make tzatziki, honey. It's got the cumin and lots of lemon juice and some garlic. And then Greek yogurt.
What's the difference between Greek yogurt and like the regular yogurt?
It's just really thick and rich and dense, and it's a great base for cooking. And even if you buy the reduced fat, I find it's still full flavor. It's really tasty. Some salt, sea salt or kosher salt, a little pepper, and about a 1/4 cup of EVOO. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
What do you guys like to do with it other than cook? It sounds like you really like it.
Hey-o.
Then you process that. That's gonna take a little bit. I have some glass mugs chilling in the freezer. It's a beautiful way to present gazpacho for lunch or a light dinner.
Gazpacho is fun.
Gazpacho is fun. And this is so pretty. This green one is just gorgeous.
It's amazing.
Honey, the rest of this segment, I'm gonna hang out with my girl G Money. Greta's
Okay.
here, so can you pour one for her too?
Absolutely.
I'm looking out for you, Greta. Now, hon, you can't take both gazpachos and have them both before I'm done with the rest of the segment, because that would just be mean and cruel of you. So remember, you chose the white.
Okay.
So you stick with that. Isn't this cute, guys? Delicious!